Most beginners waste hundreds of dollars on the wrong camera. One that's either too basic or way too advanced for where they're starting. Today, I'm ranking the 5 best vlogging cameras for beginners in 2026, from number 5 down to the one I'd actually put in your hands right now. Number 5. Sony ZV-E1. Let's kick things off with the Sony ZV-E1. This one's for you if you're serious, like really serious, about video quality from day one. The ZV-E1 packs a full-frame 12-megapixel XMOR sensor, the exact same one inside the A7S III, into the world's smallest interchangeable lens vlogging body. That means cinematic, low-light footage with gorgeous background blur, 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and 10-bit 422 color recording internally. The honest drawback? It costs around $2,200 body only. That's a steep ask for a beginner. There's also no electronic viewfinder, and you'll still need lenses on top of that. It sits at number 5 not because it's a bad camera. It's arguably the best vlogging camera money can buy, but because most beginners don't need this level of camera yet. Grab the link below if you're ready to go all in from the start. Number 4. Sony α6700. Next up, the Sony a6700, and this one's the hybrid powerhouse of the list. If you want a camera that handles both stunning photos and cinematic video without compromise, this is it. The 26-megapixel APS-C sensor shoots 4K oversampled from 6K, up to 60 frames per second, with 10-bit color depth. The AI-powered autofocus tracks eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles across 759 phase detection points. It's genuinely one of the best AF systems you can get. Plus, it has 5-axis in-body stabilization, so handheld footage looks great. Think travel vlogger who also wants to take sharp portraits or landscapes. The a6700 handles both without you swapping bodies. The only honest caveat here is that it doesn't have a dedicated product showcase mode like the ZV cameras do, and at $1,400, it's a significant investment. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10. The original Sony ZV-E10 is the classic budget entry into interchangeable lens vlogging, and for good reason. It's a 24-megapixel APS-C camera with a fully articulating screen, 4K video, Sony's excellent IAF, and a built-in 3-capsule directional mic. Features like Product Showcase, which automatically shifts focus from your face to a product you hold up, and Background Defocus were literally designed to make vlogging easy. The drawback, though, is real. It uses an older sensor limited to 4K at 30 frames per second, 8-bit color only, and has significant rolling shutter when you pan quickly. The newer generation simply does everything it does, but better. So it lands at number 3, solid choice for tight budgets, but if you can stretch a little further, keep reading. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. Here's where things get really interesting. The Sony ZV-1 is the ultimate point-and-shoot vlogging camera, and it's a brilliant pick for anyone who wants something compact, capable, and totally hassle-free. It sports a 1-inch sensor with a fixed 24 to 70 millimeter equivalent f1.8 to 2.8 lens, which means great background blur and beautiful low-light performance, all in a camera that fits in your jacket pocket. The 3-capsule directional mic is genuinely impressive for its size, and the product showcase mode is perfect for product reviewers. Think lifestyle vlogger, traveler, or anyone who just wants to grab the camera and go without thinking about lenses. The one limitation is that fixed lens. Once you want wider or tighter shots, you're stuck. But if simplicity is your priority, the ZV-1 is an absolute joy to use. Check the link below for the current price. Number 1. Sony ZV-E10 II. 10-bit internal recording. That's the same sensor you'll find in the $1,400 a6700, packed into a purpose-built vlogger body for $999. The battery life has been massively improved too, giving you over 2 hours of continuous video recording. The AI autofocus is class-leading for the price. The flip-out screen is perfect for face-the-camera content, and vlogging-specific features like product showcase, background defocus, and cinematic vlog mode with S-Cinetone make it genuinely easy for anyone to produce great content. It even supports 10-bit S-Log footage for color grading if you want to go deeper down the line. The only real compromise is no in-body image stabilization. You'll want a stabilized lens or a gimbal for walking shots. But for everyday vlogging, YouTube content, and anyone serious about leveling up their channel in 2026, this is the camera I'd put in your hands. All the links for every camera mentioned are down in the description. Go check them out. If you're interested in getting great footage without spending a fortune, make sure to watch my next video on cheap cameras that look expensive. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. It genuinely means a lot.